My parents won't do their will. Hi, I'm Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me. So this is getting to be a growing problem with the maturation of the baby boomers who all have aging parents. I get this question all the time. My parents won't do a will. What do I do? So you can look up on, Google or Chat GPT or something about how to talk to your parents about doing their estate plan. And you can get some good advice like, pick the right time, be patient, offer to help, and that kind of thing. And that's all well and good. But I'm going to give you some hardcore, real world opportunities that you can take advantage of to at least mitigate the issue of your parents not having their will done. So, number one, first thing to do is to make sure that your parents' beneficiary statements are up to date. Many times when they created their 401k or their IRA or their bank accounts or what have you, they set up their beneficiary statements and life has changed and they may have forgotten about them. You want to make sure that those are up to date because those are going to pass outside the probate process in the first place. And so the quickest thing you can do to make sure that things go smoothly when the time comes is make sure those things are up to date. That's just a quick call to the bank or to the financial institution. Secondly, there are new assets that can be addressed through transfer on death designations. Like here in Maryland, recently we've added the opportunity to designate your automobile for transfer upon your passing. And so this reduces the need to do a will or to go through the probate process because the car is already destined to go somewhere upon your death. Third, make sure your parents understand how their home is titled. Now, you think this would be an obvious thing, but with a lot of second marriages and third marriages, you'd be surprised how many people forget to update the deed on the house they bought 20 or 30 years ago. Get that fixed now. You can talk about the will later, but make sure you get the deed corrected. And finally, you may want to talk to your parents' doctor. It's a tough conversation to have, but sometimes the doctor is in a better position to nudge them along the way to getting their estate plan done. So these are real world problems that we all have to deal with. If you are in a similar situation, you want to talk about how to provide for your parents in their later years, our information is at the end of this video. We'd love to have a chance to chat with you about it. Again, my name is Neil Tyra. I'm an estate planning attorney in Rockville, Maryland, and I do estate plans for regular folks like you and me.